Hey everybody, it's Matt here at Affordable Appliances, and today we're going to be replacing the motor in this high-efficiency top-load Whirlpool machine. This is a pretty simple job that just about anybody can do. There's just a shield, one plug that goes to the motor, the belt, and a couple bolts that hold the motor in place. After you pull the old one out, the new one's going to go right back in the reverse order. Make sure you torque down those bolts properly, and if you need to, replace that belt. Once you get the shield on the machine, you can stand it right back up, and just like any digital Whirlpool top-load washer nowadays, make sure you calibrate that machine before you try to use it after you replace a part. And you can get all your parts at Affordable Appliances and Parts, because we'll be here when you need us.